Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about speech. Okay, types of speech, direct speech, indirect speech. What are the rules should be followed to change the direct into indirect? Okay, so first speech. So there are many occasions in which we need to describe an event or action that happened. Okay, and very often that includes repeating what someone said. In order to describe what people said, there are two types of speech. Okay, the one is direct speech and another reported speech, or we call it indirect speech. Okay, so let's first discuss about what is direct speech. So the mode of narration shows the speech as directly delivered by the speaker. Okay, so this mode of narration is called as direct speech. Okay, the speaker is mentioned. What the speaker exactly said is given within the quotation mark. Okay, so in direct speech we use inverted commas. Okay, here the actual words are said by the speaker. Okay, actual words. The first word within the inverted commas begin with a capital letter. The word of the speaker within the quotation mark are known as reported clauses. Okay, so here the example here, the sentence, could you please open the door for me? So here this is written within the inverted commas, and this this is known as reported clause. The verb that tells us about the exact words of the speaker is known as introducing verb. Okay, so it is known as introducing verb or reporting verb. So take an example. He says, okay, he says, I am a student. Okay, I am a student. So this is direct speech because the direct word of the speaker, here the speaker is he, and the actual words is given within the underline within the inverted commas. So here this is reporting verb, okay, or introducing verb. This is known as RV, reporting verb, or we can also call this introducing verb. Introducing verb. Okay, I am a student. So this is reported clause. Okay, reported clause. Clear? This is says this is reporting verb or introducing verb. Okay, so here quotation mark is used. Here the actuals are said by the speaker. Okay, I am a student. So here am, this is reported verb. Okay, the words within the inverted, this is known as reported clause. Here I am a student, this is reported clause, and here the verb is reported, am is reported verb. Okay, the next the reported verbs can be used to said, told, asked. Okay, these are the introducing verb. Okay, these are the introducing verbs. A comma is used to separate the quoted speech. Yes, as I give the previous example, he says. Okay, so here comma is used, then we use then inverted commas. A comma is used to separate the quoted speech and the introducing verb. Okay, the comma is placed after the introducing verb. Yes, the comma is used after. So just like the teacher said, yes, here the comma is placed after the introducing verb. Here this is introducing verb. The introducing verb may be in present tense, may be in past tense. Okay, then the comma is placed after the introducing verb. Here the introducing verb is said. When it precedes the quoted speech, quoted speech, the inverted, within the inverted, the words that are within the inverted, this is known as a quoted speech. Like the teacher said, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So this is known as, this is quoted speech because these are quoted within the inverted mark, inverted commas. Okay, then next, like here the example also already given here. Dr. Samira said, I love to do this work. Here said is known as, yes, here reporting verb. Okay, reporting verb, or we call it introducing verb. And I love to do this work, this is reported speech or quoted speech. Okay, a reported speech or quoted speech. Clear? Quoted speech. And here love is reported verb. Okay, a reported verb, and said is a reporting verb. okay, reporting verb, or we can call this introducing verb. Then next the comma is placed after the quoted speech when its is already completed. Then next, so these are the rules about in the direct speech. Then next, indirect speech. So here, so you know, indirect speech, the mode of narration in which a person reports the verbal communication between two or more people. Here the meaning of the speech alone is conveyed, the actual words of the speaker are not reported. Yes, so here the actual words, the just take an example. He says, okay, he says, comma, inverted, I am a boy. So this is, you know, actual words, okay. But when you turn into indirect speech, he says that he is a boy, okay, he is a boy. So here the actual words of the speaker are not reported, okay. So here I changed into he, so this is not actual words, okay. So this is indirect speech and we used here a conjunction, okay. So here the some points about indirect speech. The mode of narration shows the speech as reported by someone. Yes, someone is reporting about this mode of narration is called indirect speech. The quoted speech is not placed within the, yes, so here quotation mark is removed, okay, in indirect speech. Clear? Then next, since the quoted speech is no longer treated as a separate utterance, the first word in the quoted speech are not written in capital letters. Yes, so just like here, like previous example, take previous example. Rohan said I play cricket, okay. Rohan said I play cricket. So here, you know, I is written in capital letter. But what happens in indirect speech? Here no, since the quoted speech is no longer treated as a separate utterance, the first words in the quoted speech are not written in capital letters, okay. Then next, no comma is used before the, yes, so we use conjunction that, okay, if or whether we also used, okay. Some modifications have been made while changing from, yes, some modification means, so you have to discuss some rules, okay, what changes will be occurred when we change the direct speech into indirect speech, okay. You know, some here the change of tense also occurred. So here, like, a conjunction is also used, okay, here the conjunction is also used. Then whether, then we will discuss about where we have to use if or whether, okay, what are the structure of positive, negative, yes, no, we will learn detail about it, okay. So here just the difference about direct and indirect. Quoted speech is placed with a, yes, so here inverted mark is used, this is known as quoted, okay, quoted mark. Indirect speech, no inverted commas are used, okay. Then the introducing or reporting verb and the quoted speech separated, yes, we use comma, no comma is used or colon is used, no conjunction is needed. But in indirect speech we use subordinating conjunction like that. So there are two different tenses in single sentence, yes. So here you just look at this example. Said is a simple past and studied is in simple present. Here are two different tenses. So there can be two different tenses in a single sentence. In the following example, the introducing or the reporting verb is in the simple past, while the verb of the quoted speech, yes, so here quoted speech, verb of the quoted speech, or it is known as reported speech, okay, a reported verb is in the simple present and the reporting verb or introducing verb is in the simple past. The tense of the verb of the reported is changed to match the tense of the, yes, so according to the, okay, according to the tense of the reporting verb we use, okay, the verb of the reported speech. As here simple past is used, we also used here simple past, okay. So these are the differences between the direct and indirect speech. Here the pronoun is also used, okay, here the pronoun is also changed. So here, like, Jagat said I, so here I changed into he, okay. Changes in also pronoun also happen. Next, so here rules of changing. So as I have already told about, the tense of the verb should be changed, the reporting verb should be changed, like I said, changed into told, asked, wanted to know. Okay, then personal pronouns, possessive adjectives also change, punctuation marks also used, expression of the time and also place is also changed. Okay, so you will learn detail one by one, the tense of the verb, change in the reporting verb, personal change in the personal pronoun, then expression of time and place. Okay, so here just an example, tense of the reporting verb. Okay, reporting verb. The reporting verb just to here, if the reporting verb is in present any form, no changes will be happen in indirect speech. Tense of the reporting verb is in the simple present tense, and the tense of the reported speech, okay, is present tense any form, no changes will be occur. Okay, so here example, like so here direct, okay, present indefinite. So here indirect, the reporting verb is in the simple present. Okay, reporting verb. So here no changes in the tense of the reported speech will be here. Okay, he says that, he does not. Just remember, if the tense of the reporting verb is in the simple present, okay, simple present, simple, okay, present tense, like simple present, any form, okay, any form, no tense change will be occurred. Okay, no tense change. So here says is in simple present, the reporting verb, and the reported verb is in simple present, so the indirect speech, the verb is also simple present. Rohan says that he does not smoke. Then here again present perfect, direct, she has said to me. So here has said, here the reporting verb is in the present tenses, present perfect. Okay, present perfect, and the reported verb here simple present, so no tense, no change in tense. Okay, no change in tense. The she has told me that okay, that I help her when she is. Okay, no tense will be changed in indirect speech if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense. So here I have mentioned in this table, if the reporting verb is in the present tense and the reported speech is in the present, then same present. Okay, if the reported speech reported, okay, reported like she says I want a book. Okay, I want a book. So here says is reporting verb, so this is simple present, okay, present tense, and here the reported verb is also simple present, so here no tense will be, no changes in the tense will be here. So here just change, she says I wanted, so here no tense will be changes, because you first identify the reporting verb is in which tense. Okay, reporting verb. So here if the reporting verb is in the present tense, then here same, no tense will be changes. Okay, if the reported verb past tense, the indirect speech, the verb will be remain same. So here next example, I said to her, do you agree with me? So here reporting verb is in simple present and reported verb here do agree. Okay, simple, so here also same present tense. Okay, no change in tense. Then next direct you say to me, so here also simple present, here also simple present is used. Then present continuous. So here I am giving a detailed explanation about if the reporting verb is in the present tense. Okay, present tense, then there will be no changes while you change the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, no change in tense will be occurred if the reporting verb is in the present tense. Okay, simple present. So here you say, okay, you say we are going, so here same, you are going, here present continuous, because the reporting verb is in simple present. My friend says to me, you are not going to be punished. So here simple present, reporting verb, and reported verb present continuous. So here present continuous in indirect speech. Okay, then next example, I said to the child, are they teasing you? Okay, here simple present and present continuous. So here, okay, present continuous is also used. Okay, then he says to me, is your brother coming today? So here reporting verb simple present and reported verb is present continuous. So here present continuous is also indirect speech. Then next, present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense, direct present perfect, indirect is also present perfect tense. Okay, so here also direct present continuous, indirect speech will follow present continuous. So here same, direct is also present simple or present indefinite, indirect speech is also will also follow present indefinite tense. Present indefinite means present simple present. Okay, simple present simple or present indefinite. Then next, they, here you just find here reporting verb is in simple present and the reported verb present perfect. So same, present perfect they have one. Okay, just you have to remind if the reporting verb is in the simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, no changes of the tense will be in the indirect speech. Then next, you say to me, simple present, here present perfect, and indirect speech here also same, Rohan has not returned. Here reporting verb simple present and reported verb present perfect, and here also present perfect, no tense, here same tense followed. So here if in the direct speech simple past, indirect speech also follow simple past tense. So here reporting verb is in simple present and reported verb simple past, but here remains same, simple past, no changes will be occur. Raju tells me that they bought a new motorcycle. Okay, we bought, they bought, just here changes in the pronoun. Direct Sital says I did not buy the book. Here reporting verb is in simple present and reported verb simple past. So here same, simple past, she did not buy. Then next, father father says to me, did you wash your hands? Okay, so we'll learn detail about what is the structure of while we change direct into indirect, so what rules should be followed. So here you know this is yes no question. So while changing the direct into indirect, if the question asks you in yes no question, then what structure should be followed we will discuss briefly about, okay, in the next video. Just in this video we will more focus if the reporting verb is in the simple present tense. Okay, reporting verb is in the simple present tense. Here reporting verb, okay, simple present, reporting verb, okay, reporting verb. So here same tense, here I was driving, he was driving, I shall not obey, okay, not play, he will not play. Okay, so just you have to remind all the rules I have here mentioned. Okay, no change here if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, here no changes. Okay, तो present any form will be same. Okay, present past same, future will be remain same. But here if the reporting verb is in the simple past, then there will be some changes. Okay, we will learn about to detail more about it. This is the most important. Okay, you know, if the reported verb is in, then was, are, were, then okay, you have to remind all these. Was, were, had been. Just an example. He said okay, I was happy. Okay, he said I was happy. So here a reporting verb, you know, simple past tense. Okay, simple past. So here simple past, you know, and the reported verb was in past, was. So here he said that, okay, he said that he had been happy. Okay, he had been happy. Okay, do you have to remind all these changes? If in the direct speech this, then in indirect will be changed into that. Okay, if in direct speech, so this is okay, direct, indirect, direct, indirect. Okay, this is direct, indirect. So here direct and indirect. So you have to remember all these. Okay, so here changes in the pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, adjective in indirect speech. Here if the reporting verb, okay, reporting verb in past tense, simple past, okay, past tense, so you have to follow these rules. Okay, otherwise we can't do make any changes in indirect. So like reporting verb, take an example. He said cricket. Okay, so here reporting verb is in simple past and the reported verb is simple present. Here simple present, then indirect speech it will be simple past. So what will be answer? He said that he played cricket. Clear? If the reporting verb is in the simple past tense, then we have to follow these rules carefully. Okay, so in the direct speech, the reported verb, you know, here reported verb is play. So here if the reported verb is in simple present tense, then in indirect speech it will be changed into simple past. Okay, so what will be answer? So here he said that he played cricket. Okay, he played cricket. So this changes. Okay, similarly here I have mentioned all present simple. Okay, you know the structure of present simple, subject plus verb first one, then object. So changes here, what will be changes? Changes into simple past, subject plus V2. So here example, he said. So you have to just remind reporting verb. Okay, reporting verb past tense. Reporting verb past tense here, said. Okay, said, this is reporting. Okay, so here he said I walk. So you know in direct speech, okay, direct, here simple present is used. So what will change here? Now Hina said that, or he said that he walked. Okay, he walked. Here pronoun is also changed. I changed into he. Okay, simple present change into simple past. Similarly, another example, Rohan said I write a letter. So here reporting verb is in simple past and the reported verb is in simple present. If the reported verb is in simple present, it will be changed into simple past. Okay, Rohan said that he wrote a letter. Clear? Then next, you said I eat an apple. So here your reporting verb is simple past and the indirect speech the verb is reported verb. Okay, reported verb simple present. Okay, simple present, so it will change into simple past. So what changes we have observed here? Tense. Okay, then pronoun. Okay, pronoun, this is the most important. Then you know time also changes also, time, like today, that day. Okay, today, that day. We will discuss briefly all examples. Okay. So he said I work in a bank. She said that she worked in a bank. Here simple present change into simple past. They said we play cricket. So we change into they. Okay. Then play simple present change into simple past played. Similar next present continuous change into past continuous. So here present continuous change into past continuous. So this is the structure of present continuous, this is the structure of past continuous. She said I am going to school. So what also changes in this sentence? First tense also changed. Yes, then next pronoun is also changed. Okay, so she said I am going. She said that she was going to school. Okay, she said that she was going to school. So here I change into she, I am going change into was going. Clear? So you have to just remind all the rules carefully. So here another example, the teacher said I am speaking, he was speaking, with they are playing, we are playing. Okay, he said that they are playing, he said that they are playing football. Then next present perfect change into past perfect. Here this is the structure of present perfect, this is the structure of past perfect. So here present perfect we have started. Okay, we have started. So they had started. Okay, here they had started. Okay, if the direct speech. Okay, direct present perfect. So I have mentioned here. Okay, just look at this, I have clearly mentioned here. You have to follow this table. Okay, present simple will be changed into past simple, present continuous will be changed into past continuous, present perfect will be changed into past perfect, present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous, past simple will be changed into past perfect, past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous, past perfect remains same. Okay, no changes happen. Past perfect continuous remains same. Future tense, okay, we will learn about it. So here present perfect will be changed into past perfect. We have started, they had started. Okay, we have eaten, they had eaten. Here she has learned, she had learned. Okay, then past simple changes into past perfect. Okay, past simple, this is the structure of past simple and this is the structure of past perfect. So here the reported, this is reported clause, this is reported clause. Okay, and the verb here own is reported verb. So here simple past will change into past perfect. They said that they had own. Okay, so here own will be had own. Okay, simple past will change into past perfect. Similarly next you said I bought a car, you said that you had bought a car. Okay, so here simple past change into past perfect. Then next I have already discussed this example earlier. So he said to me I was happy, he told me that. So here changes, said change into told. Okay, pronoun is also changed, I changed into he. Okay, I was happy, had been. Was is also simple past. Okay, was, we are these are simple past, it will change into past perfect. Okay, past perfect. Then next Smith said he wrote, he had written. Okay, so simple past. Okay, wrote, direct speech, the reported verb is also simple past. So here past perfect, he had written. I went to school, he said he had gone to school. Okay, then next continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Okay, so this is the structure of past continuous, this is the structure of past perfect continuous. So I was writing a story, he said that he had been writing a story. Okay, he had been writing a story. Okay, then another example, I was she said I was washing the shirts, she said that she had been washing. Okay, so here this is past progressive change into past perfect progressive. Here another example, they said we were watching a movie, they said that they had been watching it. Okay, so these are all the structure of positive. Okay, affirmative sentence. So we will learn in the next class. We will detail discuss about yes no, okay, then WH, then imperative sentence, okay, imperative, then exclamatory. These all will discuss detail about it, okay. So you have to just remind all these primary things. Simple future, here simple future change into present conditional, will shall will be changed into would, just okay. He said I will buy a camera, he said that he would buy. So here pronoun I change into he, will change into would, okay. Then future continuous, I will be cleaning, would be cleaning. So this small changes is happen. Will shall change into would be, okay. So here in the next class we will detail discuss about one by one. First declarative statement, okay, its negative, interrogative, WH, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, okay. So you have to remember all these. What is direct speech, what is indirect speech, okay, what rules should be followed, then the tense of the reporting verb, reported verb, okay. So here, so this is the rules about pronoun, okay. I change into he, she, we change into they, okay. So you have to remind all this. So if you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, okay. Thank you.